Hi everyone, friends, subscribers, viewers, and everyone. You are highly welcome. This is your boy Bope Tech. Today, I'm here to inform you that you are highly welcome to this channel. This channel here is out to offer you whatever you want of your online, making of money online, online teachings, anything about your cryptocurrency, articles writing, and anything concerning you about the internet that you want to learn. Just visit YouTube and search for Bope Tech TV, and anything there you are good to go. Thank you, and you are highly welcome. We are here to help you, and you are once welcome again.
Hi everyone, good morning to everyone. Thank you once again for coming back to this channel to watch video. Today we have a new update for everyone. Please stick to this video and learn this very careful. It's not all time that we have to talk about making of money online. This is something good that is going to help your skills of making money online. Today we are going to look at a way to get a VPN free on a particular browser, which is going to allow you to access all your foreign links of making money online without paying for any VPN. And VPN, we know, is a website or an application that allows you to change the location of your phone into a particular country, which will make you to be like you are in that particular country. For example, me in Ghana, I want to have a bank account in US. All I need is to get someone particulars from US, but to register it with my phone I have to use a VPN, and VPN are always not free. The free ones are not all that quite eligible, but there is this particular browser that allows you to use VPN in itself because they pay for everything and they have it in their website. So when you are using the browser to search as a search engine to search of anything, you can use the VPN free. And to my co-brothers who are there looking for a way to get foreign Facebook accounts, you can use this to get good client for whatever you want to do. Whether you want to be doing affiliate marketing with the foreigners and you want to create a Facebook account that all of them should be in US as your marketer, your referrers to be using your Amazon link to buy things, then you are good to go. Please, if you know you are an affiliate marketer, just stick to this video, watch this video, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and turn on the notification bell of the subscription into all, and anytime that a video like this is being posted, you'll be the first person to be notified that a video is being uploaded. So for us not to waste time, please let's jump into this. So the name of this browser is Opera Mini. So if you know you have Opera Mini, just tap on it, and if you don't have it, go to your Play Store or App Store. Let me show you. I'm using iPhone, so I'll go to my App Store. So you search for Opera Mini. I already have it, so when I search, it will come Opera Mini. This is how the app looks like. The one on top, which is the first one, we call it Opera browser. That is in the iPhone, that's how they write it, and in the app Android phone they write it Opera Mini browser. So this is how it is. I already have it, so you just tap on it and it will open. Now when it opens, it will be like this. You opening it first, it will be like this. So when you access it, it will come to a dashboard or a face like this. Now looking at the dashboard of this, come down, we have for football, entertainment, politics, and at the last of the right hand side down, you see there are some lines there, like some are with some things on top like T, some L, and that. Just type on there, a particular place will pop out. Now if you are using iPhone, it will send you to a particular place. Tap back on the settings and it will bring you to this place. We have something now, have VPN, ads blocking, privacy contents, clear browser data, and what. We are not talking about data and all those things for today. We are going to enable news and all those things and notification, and they are not what we are going to do for today. So we have something we call instant search. You can put your browser into it, so how you want to set it, you want it, but we are talking about VPN of today. So in this VPN, you are going to change this disable to able of VPN. So you tap on the VPN like this. They'll ask you to choose a particular location you want to use. Is it America, we only have three that we can use, which is the Europe, which is UK, England, Scotland, and all those things area. Those under the Europe, and we have the Asians, which is uh, this the Asian land, which is it Germany and that side, yeah. So I prefer America, so I would rather choose America. So that's it. So you go back and press on connect. So when you tap on the connect, is it that the VPN would now direct you to your VPN column at a certain bar of your phone. So you type on yes, allow, and you connect it. I already did this, that's why my own connected automatically. You see that the right VPN attached to where your data is or your Wi-Fi is connected. So when it's like this, you press on done. Now, in anything you want to search here, anything about your search bar of this particular place is going to base on USA, which is the state. So you searching here, your location, current location is not in Ghana, but rather in United States of America. So your search engine here has now been. So if you are someone who want to get use Facebook as a referral to your marketing, your digital marketing, so you don't want to use people from Africa or anywhere of the country, but you want people in the state, this is benefit for you. So all you have to do is just to type in Facebook. I'm sorry they are telling you to get your Facebook app. Sorry, it's like that in the iPhone, but I know this won't be difficult in the Android phones. So sorry for it. So if you want to search of anything here, anything you will be searching here will be the locations and everything will be in the United States of America. So we have some websites that are not allowing Ghana here. We have dollar box. So if you get it this way, you want to search, let's just say dollar box. You search for dollar box, it will come because coming. Now, this is like this. So you see, when you search of anything which are not allowed in Africa or something like that, it will be here. So like this, you can use it to do anything you want. Like this, you can use it to register what is not allowed in Africa, like something like PayPal. So I know some people are all about PayPal. Just put it at the comment section, and thank you for watching this. Please, this is all that I have for you today.